Wana nyagudo yo manyakore mwajonga tiri nyaka Migori kama obile county ma Migori omako miyo moro kod nyasore maromo gunde ang'wen manengo ne romo milion 12.9 gwenge mag Tarakwiti sub county ma Kuria West. Tendo obila e county ya Migori Francis Nguli nowacho ni achijni no omaki ode kama bende no yudo ka entie gi nyasore go. Nguli wacho ni gisebedo ka giketo achijno e nyong'ong kuom kinde malach bang' ne giyudo maling'ling kowuok kuom jopiny. Bila county ya Migori osingo tieko handide ameroji county no.
We conducted a well-coordinated multi-agency operation that was led by the OCS Isebania Police Station, Madam Chepkony, and her team, and managed to confiscate this illicit substance, the bangi, kwa mboma ambayo tumekuwa tunamulika kwa muda mrefu.
We have been doing surveillance, especially on that house, among others, and we succeeded in impounding in that house 14.5 sacks of cannabis sativa, that is bangi, and we were able also to arrest one suspect who has been processed through the DCI and should be appearing in court from today or another day which is convenient after we are through with the investigation. This is just one of the areas that we invented and of course impounded this large consignment which has a street value of Kenya shillings 12,960,000.